Good morning, dear learners. I am Dr. S Patil, Assistant Professor of Communication Skill, Department of Humanities and Sciences, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today, we are going to discuss about paragraph writing. Let us see what is the learning outcome. At the end of the session, student will be able to write an effective paragraph for written communication skill in various subjects. So, let us see what exactly the paragraph writing. So, I will pause here 1 minute for a video so that you can answer for this question, what is paragraph writing. Let us resume. So, what is paragraph? Paragraph means a group of sentences in which a single topic is developed. It is a unit of writing in a large body of a work. It expresses a particular topic or theme. It is a component of fictional prose and non-fictional writing. It is also a group of sentences. It has its own central idea. It has also unity, order, variety. So, that is a paragraph. The purpose of a paragraph is to express a speaker's thoughts on a particular point in a clear way that is unique and specific to that paragraph. Paragraph should not be mixing with the thoughts or ideas, or it should not mixed with any type of things, that means different types of things. It introduces a new idea. A writer will begin a new paragraph, and what exactly the elements of paragraph is. Generally, paragraph follows a standard 3-part structure with a beginning, middle and end. These are the parts: topic sentence, development and support, and conclusion. In paragraph, for research includes problem, define, solution, benefits, conclusion. So, these are the elements of the paragraphs. So, what is the structure of a paragraph? As we have studied the definition, the elements, and the structure of a paragraph. The basic paragraph structure includes how to lay out a paragraph. A body paragraph is any paragraph that comes between the introduction and the conclusion. Then what is included in the topic sentence? A topic sentence is the first sentence of the body, first sentence of the paragraph. It introduces the topic of the paragraph as paragraph leaders to introduce the main idea that the paragraph is about, to prepare the reader for the rest of the paragraph by stating clearly what topic will be discussed. Then supporting sentences means what? The supporting sentences of a paragraph are the sentences between the topic sentence and the concluding sentence. The development and supporting support sentences act as the body of the paragraph. Development sentences elaborate and explain the idea with the details too specific for the topic sentence, while support sentences provide evidences, opinions or other examples or the statements that back up or confirm the paragraph's main idea. Then what included in concluding sentence? The concluding sentence is the last sentence. Concisely end the paragraph and transition to the next paragraph. The conclusion wraps up the idea, sometimes summarizing what's been presented or transitioning to the next paragraph. It means the content of the conclusion depends on the type of a paragraph, and it's often acceptable to end a paragraph with a final piece of support that concludes the thought instead of a summary. Then these are the elements of a paragraph. The elements of a paragraph includes grammatical correctness should be there. It requires, that is the requirement of a paragraph is grammatical correctness, language, coherence. There should be a link and logical sequence should be there. Coherence means to fit the ideas logically together in a paragraph. Unity, there should be unity in writing paragraph to flow from one idea to the next one, to organize in a way by sequence of ideas or events. Use of transitions from one sentence to the next that connect the ideas and concepts. Then in the middle, adequate development should be there in the paragraph. One should be careful about adequate and sufficient vocabulary, sometimes the sentences, sometimes ideas, thoughts. Then it should be well developed, that is nothing left to the reader for addition. Then to include enough evidence to support its topic sentence, then writer should understand that transitions or changes wherever there is a necessity. To achieve purpose, transitions used between preceding and proceeding paragraphs. To use logical and verbal transitions for consistency to help the reader to move perfectly of writing. Then how long is a paragraph? Is there any rule? There is no set rule or set length to a paragraph. No set length to a paragraph. How much paragraph should be? Majority of the times 3 or 5 sentences should be, that is accepted. Short paragraph depends on the expert writer or a specific style of writing. Too long to express any given idea. Paragraphs may be 10 sentences or longer, sometimes 3 or 5 sentences. Topic of the writing and content will determine the length. It begins with a topic sentence, develops that the topic which we have chosen for writing at the first sentence, then well with the facts. Develop that topic well with the facts, examples and explanations, and conclude the paragraph appropriately. For example, the topics are for writing paragraph is, for example, health, family, newspaper, education. So these are the topics. On any topic we can write the paragraphs. In short, we can summarize paragraph is a group of sentences in which a single topic is developed. In summary, a paragraph is a unit of writing. It is used in writing on any study material, research paper, letters, email, non-fiction and fictional prose. A part of writing that expresses a certain topic. So these are the types of paragraphs. See, the types of paragraph: expository, persuasive, narrative, descriptive. These are the 4 types. In expository paragraph, what type of writing should be included? Common in non-fiction and all types of writing, essays that is included, and it revolves around explaining and discussing a single topic or idea. Persuasive type of paragraph, just like expository paragraph, persuasive paragraphs focus on discussing a single point, however, they support opinions instead of facts. Then narrative type of a paragraph includes, when telling a story, a narrative paragraph explains an action or event. Each new sentence further or expands upon the action by providing new information. Then descriptive paragraph writing, also a common in storytelling. Descriptive paragraphs focus on describing a single topic such as a person or any type of situation. Then these are the some example for implication of the what I have said. See, some examples of a paragraph on education. If we want to write a paragraph on education, then how we can write it? This is one of the example here I have given. See, education is a backbone of a country. It is an integral tool that helps the development of human civilization. Education equips the nation with a workforce lifts awareness among the general public and promotes national unity. A life without education is valueless. Education makes oneself sufficient, knowledgeable, intelligent, independent and boosts the self-confidence. It enhances our thought process and enables us to do things creatively and correctly. So this is one of the example. This is another paragraph on knowledge. See, this is one of the paragraph, one example we have discussed. Let us skip this example. When you can also write paragraph on a given situation also. See, this type of situation is there, and what do you understand by this situation? You can write also about the paragraph on the given situation. See, these are the see, on this picture, this is one of the conversation between two friends, and this is one of the paragraph which we have observed in these pictures. We can write also a paragraph. Whereas just remember these 3 points: topic sentence, supporting sentences and conclusion. Then just remember also these main points. Write about central idea, relevant examples of evidence. It's essential for developing the paragraph, and at last conclusion. In this way I stop here my video, and these are the references you can refer for more understanding. Thank you students. I hope you understood how to write paragraph and what is the elements of the paragraph. Thank you very much.